Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to Howtify. Our topic for today is all about how to remove Apple ID without password. As you can see, removing an Apple ID is difficult to do, especially when you forgot your password. That's why we are here to guide you to solve the problem. So all you have to do is go to Settings. While we are in the Settings, click General, scroll down, and you will see the Transfer or Reset iPhone. So now all you have to do is click it. While we are in a Transfer or Reset iPhone, click Erase All Content and Settings. After clicking Erase All Content and Settings, click Continue. After that, click to enter passcode. Now click Skip Backup. After that, the Apple will ask for a password, which you forgot, so click Forgot Password. Then you will enter the passcode again. After entering your passcode, your problem is solved. As you can see, the Apple ID will ask for your new password, and that's about it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.